I'm the man, rock star, superstar.
दोस्तों ये है नील।
Rock star, superstar.
Nikki Bakshi, sweet and sexy, full on rocking, hot and happening. Nikki Bakshi,
और ये है निक्की।
happening.
और ये बेटा नील की कहानी उसी की जबानी।
21 days मेरी शादी होने वाली है and I've come to Vancouver only to get some action and this chick was the easiest action ever. I didn't mean that.
आप लोग हैरान मत होइए, नील के साथ ऐसा अक्सर होता है। जब भी किसी लड़की के साथ उसकी सेटिंग हो रही होती है कि बीच में टपक पड़ती है ये निक्की। आप खुद ही देख लीजिए।
Sexy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great.
I asked you how you are, not how you look.
Interesting. अरे यार, ये कैसे हो गया?
क्या हुआ?
I just lost my phone number. Can I have yours?
Okay, it's 98205.
9820.
Hey, Neil, how funny are you? तुम्हारा नंबर तो मेरे पास है. Don't worry about it.
Nikki.
You know, you keep forgetting and losing
Nikki.
it. Here it is. It's 98200-20022. How easy is that? God,
Nikki,
guys, I mean, like, come
Nikki,
on.
Nikki.
What? What?
what are you doing here?
You lost your number. I'm giving you your number.
Turn around and go. Please.
God, fine. Just trying to help
She's
you.
just a little crazy girl who follows me everywhere. So you were saying 98205?
Oh God, forget
No,
it.
no, don't forget it.
जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा, निक्की ने नील की स्टोरी शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म कर दी। तो फिर नील की स्टोरी में आगे होगा क्या? क्या नील की तमन्ना पूरी होगी? कहीं नील और निक्की में? आइए जानने के लिए बिग पिक्चर देखते हैं हम लोग।
Ladies and gentlemen, शो का नाम पिक्चर का नाम है नील एंड निकी and we are talking about a show called Big Picture, which is us, and today we have the stars Uday Chopra, Tanisha. Thank you so much for coming. Obviously the normal questions, picture के बारे में, all that, character के बारे में, but before that, ये जो look है, exactly what are these horns?
These are like the horns to make me horny.
Horny का मतलब क्या है हिंदी में? बताइए।
Like the devil.
अच्छा अच्छा, be like devil.
Be like devil.
Be naughty.
Be naughty. Yeah,
Okay.
not nice. Like she's like the nice one, whereas I'm the naughty one.
But
That's what they're letting you believe by giving me the halo.
Okay, now basically I have done research के बारे में. I have studied the market.
Superb, mind
मुझे पता है कि exactly what the कहानी
Really?
is. Apparently you had planned 21 girls in 21 days.
Yeah.
Firstly, I want to say you are my god. You are my king.
Thank you.
You are the greatest man in India.
Thank you.
This is the kind of ambition we should have amongst youngsters.
Absolutely.
But no, पढ़ाई करो, go abroad, do physics, do
Rubbish,
maths.
rubbish. This is a real education.
This is
Real
it.
education.
21 girls, 21 days.
21 days.
Tanisha, what do you feel? Is that a good thing
I
to
think
do?
it's a rocking plan.
Really?
Yes,
You've lost
absolutely.
interest in our show already. Get on with it. Show the advertisement.
No, I really think it's a great idea. And Nikki believes it's a rocking plan because she gets all into the movement.
Okay, so let's now start in the beginning. We won't give the whole movie away, but basically, Neil kaun hai? He's just a normal guy.
Neil's this guy. He's grown up in Canada in a small farming town in a place called Oliver.
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 Oh, in Canada.
In Canada.
Do they speak Kannada? Hey, what kind of country is this?
Anyways,
Okay.
he's grown up in this place, and his parents have decided to get him married to this girl from India. And he's pretty cool about it, chilled out. And he says, that's fine, my parents can decide. Only thing is that 21 days left for the wedding. I want to have fun for these 21 days and go to Vancouver, which is like the bigger city, and just, sow my wild oats kind of thing. So that's when he hatches the plan for the 21 days.
21 days, 21 girls.
It's a time to discover.
Nice.
A time to share.
Can I please have this cap? I'll do anything.
Anything?
If you get this next one, I'll sleep with you.
So who's Nikki?
Nikita Bakshi is, I think, the most unconventional character in the film. She's a wild child. That's the easiest way to describe her.
You mean she is fun on Friday evening?
She's fun on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, baby.
Too much for a family man. I better not call you.
What do you do me?
Yeah? Now? मुझे और मेरी फियांसे को एक कमरा चाहिए।
चुड़ैल टाइप की है, तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा।
जब से वैंकूवर आया हूँ लड़कियाँ पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ती।
मुझे अपनी बाहों में ले लो।
Come back. We will talk some more. We will do lots of good, fun things like finish the show quickly. But it's Neil and Nikki. It's a fun film. It's going to be fun for everybody. We're going into what we call the Indian winter, which is of course only 1 degree less than normal. But the main point is, please go and watch this movie. It'll be fun. 2 hours, 2.5 hours of good fun, good entertainment, good clean fun. Right? Am I right?
Not clean, but good fun.
What am I saying? Clean. Wrong. It's very naughty. A lot of sizzling stuff.
Sizzling,
Yeah,
not
गंदा बात है.
बहुत गंदी गंदी बात.
गंदी चीज़ है इसमें.
बहुत
Oh,
है.
lovely. Come back, we talk about it and we show close-ups of all the dirty stuff on TV. आजकल they show anything, including me. Stay where you are. We'll come back and talk some more. Neil, Nikki, Neil, and Bunty. I'm Bunty.
I could get you some action.
ओह, अब तुम लड़कियाँ भी सप्लाई करती हो? I'm just Neil.
Hi, Neil. छुपा के रखा है ना?
हाँ?
वहाँ.
Oh yeah, and you're a virgin.
No, I'm not. I've done it lots of times.
Really?
Yeah.
What does it feel like?
Kick ass.
Kick ass.
Yeah.
Haven't done it, huh?
No.
ना दोस्तों, लगता है नील और निक्की की नोक-झोंक कभी खत्म नहीं होगी। अब देखिए, नील को तकदीर ने एक और मौका दिया है, लेकिन क्या इस बार निक्की फिर से आएगी? ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा।
Excuse me, टाइम क्या हुआ है?
Sexy.
अब मेरी घड़ी में 11:15 बजे है।
Sexy.
Really? आपकी घड़ी में 11:15 बजे हैं?
क्या?
मेरे फोन में भी 11:15 ही बजे हैं।
Amazing. हमारे ख्यालात कितने मिलते जुलते हैं, है ना?
You're right. So let's. Hey, Neil! What a coincidence! मेरी घड़ी में भी 11:15 ही बजे हैं। Isn't that cool?
Nikki, what are you doing here?
And I'm saying that मेरी घड़ी में भी 11:15 ही बजे।
कौन सी घड़ी? She doesn't even have a watch. Listen.
I was just trying to make conversation.
Go make conversation over there. Please, go away.
Fine.
Thank
I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
Girls.
अफसोस, एक बार फिर निक्की ने नील की डील खराब कर दी। कब नील की लाइफ में आएगी एक कम सीन, कब सेट होगा उसका सीन, देखते हैं हम लोग।
So let's now talk about some of the best scenes in the film. Which is the most ganda scene?
Well, there's a
There
scene,
is no ganda
There
scene.
is.
There is no ganda scene.
No, it's all clean ganda.
It's clean ganda.
Everyone's
There
had,
is no such
everyone's
thing as
had a
clean
shower. In
ganda.
fact, there's one girl who's like going diving with the whales. It's like water and it's clean and fresh and it's all nice.
You mean
And
metaphorically
fish.
speaking?
Fish. It smells like fish.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Boss, we have to sell the picture. What are you all doing? Fish कहाँ से आ गया? No, nothing to do with fish.
No fish.
Let's get back to the dirty scene.
Dirty
Ganda. Keep in mind, India is a very conservative society, and most of the men they don't like this talk about ganda shanda and nanga funga and all. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. See, all the old uncles are looking now. Volume देना मेरे को. So what is the? Come on, tell us a little bit. Some of the sizzling moments.
Basically, the clothes in the film are pretty like few and far between. Not just of Nikki's. I'm also naked in the film, and so all the
See,
other.
Baba, we know you work out, but let's be open. The market is more for her.
I'm coming to that, and also
No, but
the,
I believe in equality. And I think it's important that if the girl has to be, so does the guy.
When you have not
if you believe in
understood.
equality, then you should take off more clothes because I'm like totally naked in the film.
Ha.
True.
Cheater. Anisha, cheater. We will be revising, editing here and there. We will be removing as much as possible. I believe women should only wear wristbands. I've been saying this since I was a young boy, and I played squash with the marker.
Wait, like
You know the-
shoes also heels.
Yes. You are a nice ganda man
This
today.
show is getting a little like
He's a devil.
on another level
He's a devil.
now.
This is how men talk all the time. Men are disgusting. I hate men.
I agree.
hate men.
I hate men also.
I like boys.
I also like boys. Sorry. Mummy, daddy. Sorry about that. Let's talk about the music. Music is very important. I believe the Merchants of Venice were involved in the picturization and the music. The
Yeah.
Merchants.
Salim and
Salim.
Oh, okay.
अच्छा आप checkbook sign नहीं करते कभी? Surname is Merchant. Very important if you're giving money to them, huh?
Right.
First name won't do.
Salim Suleiman, yes, they gave the music. They've given a rocking score, and I personally love the remix track of Neil and Nikki, which is
Title track?
The naughty mix, yeah.
The what mix?
The naughty
naughty
mix.
mix. Okay, can you hum a little bit for that? Because you generally problem.
Da, 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 da. Neil and Nikki.
There's one song like which Tanisha's like dance like quite well too. It's called Hallari.
Hallari, yeah.
It's like her solo kind of a
love the
performance
song.
kind of song.
Will you dance and show us?
No, it's a totally rocking song. You'll have to go see it. You'll have
Okay,
to watch.
Honorable Home Minister Shri R.R. Patil ने कहा कि we must stop dancing in bars, and I'm with him. Don't feel scared.
Stop dancing in bars?
Yeah,
Why?
because this is a bar and she's dancing, but it's in Canada, so it's okay.
In Canada you can dance.
Canada.
In fact, you must only dance in Canada.
What are you saying? I'm dancing on top of the bar. Is that allowed? I won't dance in the bar.
You're raising the bar
on
by
it.
dancing on top of it, that's for sure, but I don't know whether it's allowed or not. I'll get back to you, ma'am. Give me phone number and email. And pager. Stay where you are. Picture का नाम है Neil and
Nikki.
And next week it's Veer and Vicky. Uday, we aren't rolling yet, but just can you help me? I've noticed all these chicks, जो लड़की हैं, you know, they just look at you and they come forward, they like you. तो मेरा जो situation है ना life में, girls don't like me. तो आपके पास कुछ tips है, कुछ technique है that I can, you know, change my life?
See, Cyrus, I'll tell you, firstly now, don't be yourself. That means don't do anything. When you feel like doing something, just don't do it.
ठीक है, अगर scratching का mood है तो I should not do it.
Don't do anything. And just most importantly, don't speak. Don't let sounds come out of your mouth.
मेरी हथियार.
Keep your हथियार away from you.
Oh, damn it.
And then it just might work.
ठीक है, so let me understand. So I don't talk. Percentage को थोड़ा बदल कर I'll try a different approach.
Just don't do anything. Okay. Just be dead. Can you be dead?
Dead.
Yeah?
Dead.
Just dead.
Dead. You've been seeing our shows, huh? I can be dead.
Yeah, okay. Be dead, yeah? Oh, I think she's coming now. She's coming.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Don't just stand. It's okay.
What is wrong with him?
Cyrus, what are you doing? I said nothing. Don't do anything. Cyrus, stop it. Stop it. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Stop it!
Cyrus.
Hey, can you tell me the time, please?
What's wrong with you?
It worked. Tanisha, come, sit down. Sorry about that, but
You were
thanks.
right on it.
It worked.
You're
The
right.
emotion, the love, यार वो emotion जो है, you don't get that easily. Tanisha, sorry, it was an experiment to see whether I can, work on girls at all.
And it does.
Yeah, but record बहुत कमजोर है. I really nothing, not a single girl. Sit down, relax. No one will touch you in an offensive way again. Huh? Okay. Sorry about that poor performance of acting, all my own. But script में लिखा था. We didn't want to do that. We are professionals here. Yellow backgrounds are not what we are famous for. But let's talk about Neil and Nikki. You tell me a little bit about her and you tell me a little bit about him as far as the characters and the story.
Nikki, according to me, is like the newest character in a Hindi film. She's this
Never played before.
Never played before. Total rock chick. I mean, in fact, if the same character was presented to a heroine maybe 10 years ago, they would have like laughed at your face and said like, "Are you
क्या बात
really
है?
expecting to play this kind of character?" It's that new and that cool, I think, for a character to do. And I'm really envious of her because at this point of time I feel like her character is like cooler.
और उदय साहब परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में रेटिंग्स हाउ मच ऑन 10? Let me write
Wrong
it down.
question.
Tanisha on 10, marks by
Yeah.
Performance, I would give her.
देखो
My shoes are like really, you know, made
Okay,
of
10 on
wood.
10.
10 on 10, 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
That's
10 on
great.
10.
That's
10 on
it.
10.
Write what you feel down here. Tanisha, tell us about Uday. And what about marks? Be frank. 10 on 10.
Marks.
Performance. आपने act किया. You know exactly how good or
See,
bad it
now
was.
he's put me in a spot. I
अच्छा,
can't
love.
give him anything but a 10 on 10.
I'll make it easy. No. I'll make it easy. Love scenes में कितना? Intimacy में कितना? बोलो.
Sir, you know love scenes in the film.
Damn it. Okay.
There are.
Okay, romance. There is
Chalo,
intimacy. We have
I'll
the
give
promo.
him 10 on 10 for the kissing because he ate the chewing gum before doing the
10
shot.
on 10. Fantastic. Well, what about you for kissing? How much?
10 on 10.
He better give me a 10 on 10.
What? 10 on 20? You rascal.
Give me 20 on 10.
Okay, give us a little dialogue from the movie. Give us some moments from the film, if you can.
Go
It's a
ahead, pick a girl.
Go ahead, pick a... Why are you looking at me, yaar?
I go ahead then and pick a girl. So I like Bo Wali.
And he pointed at you.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a wonderful show. Thank you. Show का नाम है Big Picture. I forget the show. It's not my show. We have a guest DJ from another channel who's very good. We can do it. हाँ, और picture का नाम है Neil and Nikki. It's a nice, fun film. It's today's youth. You can see them. They're fun guys, very bindas. Please go and watch this movie. Have fun and have a good winter. 1 degree less here in India. As we say bye, we will leave you with a kissing sequence from Neil and Nikki. Bye bye. Take 2.
अभी जो आपने देखा वो तो सिर्फ एक झलक थी. पूरी फिल्म तो आपको सिनेमा हॉल में ही देखनी पड़ेगी. बट रिमेंबर डूड्स, छन्न पकैया छन्न के ऊपर बीन. This December, Nice is out and Naughty is in.